recently saw an interview with the session legend Sean Hurley. He was talking about his signal chain when recording in the studio. Since most of that gear is either really expensive or unobtainium, I thought it might be fun to try to recreate it with the HX Stomp. Let's give it a go. I'm starting with the deluxe comp with just a hint of compression. I have the ratio set to 4:1 and the mix set to around 20%. In the interview, he mentions he uses a Noble DI. I'm using the Regal to emulate this. After this, I'm splitting the paths with a split AB. He mentions in the interview how he loves to keep everything separate so that the engineer has options or can blend in post. On path B, we're blending in a slightly driven Ampeg B15. A classic mic pairing with this style of amp is a U47. I usually like to compress first, but I had the idea of adding in an LA comp at the end of this path to emulate some outboard gear. Lastly, we're hitting the retro reel for some tape saturation. Be sure to turn the wow down and then bump up the saturation a little bit. I'm also on 15 inches per second for the tape speed. If you would like to download this preset, be sure to go to the description after the video. Anyways, let's take a listen to what this sounds like.